Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy EK Hatch Ranks in the house, kid. So today is a little weird feeling. Today we gotta return this bad boy here, which was never mine. But yeah, it's a weird feeling. So now I definitely gotta stick to driving the coupe with a blown shock. I gotta order a suspension maybe soon. Gotta save up money. But anyways, yeah, we're saying bye to this car. I gotta go drop it off. It's right here. My baby. What used to be my baby no longer will be mine soon. But yeah, this is it right here. So BMW 330 X drive with the M package, I guess. That wing, yeah. Yeah, well, I guess we're saying bye now. Well, not yet. I gotta go to BMW Park Ave and return it. It's weird, man. I don't know how I feel. Hold up. Oh, you beat the cactus jack, you feel me? Yeah, man. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna miss this car, man. I'm going to miss this car. But whatever. Let's go. So we're here at BMW and yeah, man. I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna talk to them and see if I can keep the car. Well, not if. They give me a good deal then. Maybe I'll keep the car, but this is it. Oh man, we're gonna miss it. Or maybe not. Let's see. We don't know. Yeah. So let's go talk to them and see what they say. Let's go see. Oh yeah. I gotta wear this mask and go in here and see what the deal is. Oh, with the dunk as bees, you feel me? That's what we do. And the cactus jack. You feel me? We out here. Oh, you guys. Pañutúa. ¿Quieren salir o qué?
Claro.
Ah, pues vean, saludos.
Saludos. ¿Para dónde?
¿Ah?
¿A dónde saludos?
Ah, bueno, no, cuando ustedes quieran.
Ah, bien.
Pues para Cali, para Cali.
Cali, Colombia.
Ah. So, yeah. What am I?
I'm sorry?
Damn, I lost my train of thought. And we're here. Great. I wonder if they're gonna. Well, because we're trying to listen to everything I'm saying. I wonder if they're gonna want me to like keep another, like get another car, or maybe they'll negotiate with me to keep the baby over there. But let's see. Yeah, I've never seen this car. It's nice. So let's see. Maybe they'll help me out. Get like a newer car. Let's see what they have. You know what? Let's walk and see what they have. I'm not interested in what's over there. We'll walk here. This is definitely out of the picture because I got a family. This is nice. X7. This is nice. This right here? No. That's a no. Okay, this here, maybe. But I can't even afford the one I have, so imagine. This, I don't know. If I upgrade, it should be an SUV. That, okay, that right there. That right there. That right there. Wait, not that one over there, not that one. Alright, not that one. These two right here. Okay, these 2-door, but you know what? My wife can always move so my kids can come out, you know what I mean? We do this for the kids. So maybe we can do something like this, right? Or like that. You guys, what do you guys think? I gotta see, hold up. What do you think? Well, let's see what they willing to. No, but this, it's nice. Let's show you guys. This is nice. But this is big money right here. This is big money right here. I don't know. Let's see. So we got here. Well, let's see what we got here. They said they got a deal for me, man. Let's see what they got. Let's see what Mike got for me. Let's see what Mike got for me. Let's see, man. A bunch of nice cars here. There's a bunch of nice cars here. But my attention is on this one right here. My attention is on this one right here. All right, so yeah, this is great. It looks great. It looks great. So this right here is exactly the same car that I brought in a couple minutes ago, except that they just changed the color and a couple things, but it's the same car, all right? It's the same car. That's what I gotta tell my wife. That's definitely what I'm telling my wife. I don't know how to act. Oh God, man, this is crazy. Oh God. Bad financial decisions coming soon. That's what we call this. Oh, the carbon seats, man. The carbon seats. Oh my God. Wait. It's a little better now with the carbon fiber seats. Oh God. This is my favorite color right here. Oh.
Excuse me.
Shout out to Mike for making it happen. Oh man. Alright guys, so this is what we're telling my wife. This is the same car except different color. And a couple little upgrades.
A little more power.
A little bit, just a little more. Oh my God, man. Hyped. Alright, should we turn it on? What do you say? Alright, let's do it. Oh God. Oh, I gotta push this chair back a little bit. Oh man. I actually drove the M440. I was at the event at the MetLife.
Okay.
And oh man. Alright guys, let's see. I'm feeling like a child right now. Extremely happy. Oh God. We've waited what, about a month?
Just about.
For the car. I was hesitant. I wanted to make my car. I wanted to build my car. My man Mike made it happen. Yeah. Well, I'm too excited to be talking on the camera, so I'll get back to you guys. Oh, you already know. We already know. So this came from where?
This came from Germany. Which factory? I think in Munich.
And we made this car. We made this car. It was exactly
Built to spec.
Yeah, there you go. That's the way to say it. Oh God, feeling like a child right now. Like a child.
All men are children. We are, and it's inescapable.
Oh God.
The sooner you understand it, the better it comes with you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm trying to get this thing to open. And it wants to lift.
Take the policy.
Yeah.
Now, this is her address, right?
Yeah.
Well, where do you actually live?
I see Mike coming.
Stick to this, but instead of 5,000.
I see Mike. See Mike.
And that way you can okay, makes sense? So if you
Let's
wanna
go,
move on,
Mike.
you
Let's
can-
go. What you got there, Mike?
This is your owner's
Yeah,
manual,
please.
complete with key number
I'm
2.
bored. Or I'm due for an oil change, or, whatever.
And this, required reading.
Absolutely.
You can do that.